so many bikes. I can't even believe it. I think they have a field for parking. It must be filled because everybody is parking here on the road now. It's just a sea of bikes. You got every variety, huh, Paul? You got everything.
Everything. I can tell you what, man, there's a lot of them.
There is a lot of bikes. So the door actually opens, I think the event's from 9 to 3, but the doors open at 8. Oh, look at that thing. That thing's pretty wicked looking. Nice pipe on it, Vance & Hines. Oh, look at this thing. That is friggin' nice. That is pretty friggin' cool. I mean, I wouldn't be caught dead in sitting in that sidecar, but I would definitely ride that. Posed engine. Interesting.
How about that one, you there?
Yeah. Looks like a coffin. Nice. Hey.
Oh, there you go.
See, that is money, right? Frank's got that, right? Yeah, that is beautiful. But see, I just don't like, the bars are too high for me. But that bike with the spoke wheels, dude, oh, that is beautiful.
That's what Frank's got.
Why don't you trade them? So if anybody doesn't know, if you ask what the hell is a hill climb, this is a ski resort. They got a massive hill, massive incline, and they get like dirt bikes, like high-powered dirt bikes with an extended swing arm, and it's got like chains on the back of the tires or whatever, and they just try to climb the hill. And these engines are really high-powered, and it's pretty wicked. You might have seen it on TV, but we're gonna see it in person. Look at all these bikes.
All right, we'll get a footage on that, Ron.
All right, so they're already, oh my God, that is steep, dude.
Watch out for those boulders.
So it's 30, it's, yeah. It's,
next rider in the mini senior class is gonna be Devin Chartier.
It's $30 to get in, guys. Just so you know, $30 cash or credit. Yeah, pretty wild, man. This hill is it's literally like straight up. Oh, this is nice. Dude,
all right,
dude.
Now we got Devin on the hill, looking good.
Holy
wow!
cow.
Let's go, Devin.
Oh
all
my
right.
God. Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Dude, that is crazy.
Nice job. Thought maybe we were going to see a bike go up and over.
You guys know the elevation of that?
What's that? I don't know.
Oh, you know, okay. Sorry about it.
No bother.
Let's get a little closer.
292 feet on that run.
Well,
nice work.
He went 292, like halfway.
Yeah.
It's got to be like 600 feet up.
All right,
That's
folks,
crazy.
next up
right?
in the mini senior class is going to be William Stacy from Earlton, New York on the 685 KTM.
Let me show you guys one of
It will
these
be moving
bikes
into the
up
mini
close.
junior class. Folks, want to give you another reminder that there is a lot to do for fun here at Gunstock Mountain Resort. They've got the great 90-minute zip line tour. They've got the aerial challenge course. They've also got the mountain coaster. All the information and bookings can be done at gunstock.com. Just a great,
Dude, look how long
resort
that's.
here.
Look at that
Lots
chain,
of
bro.
fun
You
to
get
have,
hit with that in the back.
Especially this time of year, we've got great
done.
weather for Bike Week.
Like if somehow you fell off and you just landed on that.
Just so much fun.
It shreds you up. That is crazy. That's nuts.
All right, here we go.
People after out here in the
Micro Minis, we're running you after Mini Juniors. Micro Minis, you're running after after Mini Juniors.
Holy cow.
All right, Roman, looking good.
Holy cow.
Yeah, let's go.
What?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Nice job, Roman.
He's young.
Yeah. Very young.
Nice run.
Oh.
They include billet bars, Squirrel Cat Designs. They're open Wednesdays through Sunday, so you can check them out later today if you want, or take a ride over this weekend.
Holy cow.
Looking good.
Oh.
Nice job. All right. Yeah. Excellent.
Oh. He looped it.
Yeah.
All right, let's go, Connor. Yeah. There you go. Let's go, Braxton. Nice. Nice job, Braxton. Filling in, folks. Let's make sure we're making lots of noise for these young riders. Give them lots of encouragement to get up that hill. Let's go, Edward. Nice job.
Kids are like 5 years old. I'm not kidding. It's nuts, right?
Oh. All right, folks, we're gonna see if we can get Tanner's bike started. Meanwhile, we're gonna run Robbie Wyman from Bedford, New Hampshire. All right, looking good. Come on, come on. Ah. The hill just ate him up. Please, 200 class. Let's go, Devin. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh man, he's
Are we
moving.
gonna go over?
Oh.
Are we gonna go over? Stop the lights at 11,907. 11,907.
He was flying up there.
Yeah, he was.
All right, we'll get a footage on that run for William.
That's scary going backwards like that. Oh man. You hear it? Oh.
All right, let's go. Looking good. Come on, let's go, Charles. Looking good, looking strong.
Flying.
Let's go. Oh. There is a bump or a rock or something there. Yeah, let's go, Logan. Next rider here in the 200 is going to be Matt Naples from Lebanon, Maine. That's the number 46 Honda.
Oh, here we go. He's moving.
Oh, the hill's just pushing him to the left. Or even from the zipline tour. Once again, the place for details and for bookings is gunstock.com.
right, it's 250 class.
That's a good looking run. Just go.
Oh,
Just go.
He's got it. He's got it. Oh.
9641.
Oh.
There you go.
Got it. Yeah, he did, man.
Way to go, Dominic.
You could tell the power just.
Please. All right, Tim, let's go. Dominic just showed you the way.
Yep, tired.
Oh, damn.
Wow, looking great.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Let's go, Wyatt.
He's got it. He's got it.
9617. 9617. Great job. Yeah.
Oh, man.
Looking
oh,
good.
man.
Looking fast. Hold on to it.
Yeah. Oh.
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 987. 987.
He held on to that.
Yeah, he did,
Holy
bro.
cow.
Yeah.
Harley Davidson up the hill.
Only one way to go, and that's to the top.
Oh, come on, come on. Oh.
10-6-2. 10-6.
Oh, that's nuts. That's crazy. What? Holy cow.
Fast and loud. Yeah.
Wow.
8551. 8551. All right, folks, we got looking good. Wow. Oh.
That was pretty quick.
All right, he's looking good.
Yeah.
Fast.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
7762.
Yes.
7762.
Faster. That was.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
7961.
Coasting Crew.
Oh, fucking crazy.
Make some noise for the East Coasting Crew! Southeast Go, Reckless 203, Polly Drags, Dan Barcode. And one more time, give it up for Sid, the Kid! That concludes
Crazy,
show
bro.
number one of the day. Don't go far, because we got a couple more throughout the day. While you're hanging out,
Bro,
be sure to
fucking
come grab
crazy.
the all
Crazy.
the selling in here, right here at the East Coasting booth. And while you're over there, you can sign up on the purchase to win yourself a 2024.
Bro, feel that shit.
What do you got there? You got a Lowrider ST. Along with $10,000. You can purchase something online. So once again, Laconia, please, big round of applause, make some noise for the East Coasting Crew.
Yo, beautiful.
We'll open up these gates. You guys can come on in and grab some merchandise. And I said, you can sign up. You can win yourself the 2024. Look at this. Here, you can have one. Here, throw them up. We'll have them at the booth too. So yeah, please come on in. We'll open this up. Stay out of the way. Make some room for the loader to come in. We'll open this up. Win that bike off an online purchase along with $10,000.
All right, guys, we're leaving. What do you think?
Awesome.
Huh?
Great. That was good.
That was
Definitely.
that was really,
Definitely awesome
really
time.
good. Awesome. The hill climb, definitely come see the hill climb. I have to say, East Coasting Crew, man, they friggin' killed it. That show is absolutely amazing. If you're ever here, or if you ever have a chance to go check out East Coasting Crew, the stunt guys, man, they are sick. They put on a unbelievable show. A lot of smoke, a A lot of
Bring
blown,
earplugs.
a lot of bring earplugs. A lot of blown tires, but great show. But we're going home. We'll put them on a video too. What's up? What's going on? What's your name?
Anthony.
Anthony, where are you from?
Danbury, Connecticut.
Oh, Danbury, Connecticut. How you doing, Josh?
Yes,
How are
sir,
you,
to
Chris?
Tower Hill.
Oh, okay, yeah. Crazy show, no?
Yeah, excellent. Those East Coasting dudes are badass.
Aren't they?
First time
They're
I've
nuts.
seen them live.
Oh, crazy.
Deal.
All right, guys, that's it. We're leaving. See you guys later. Peace out. Say goodbye.
Goodbye, man. Everybody, peace, love, happiness.